How to fix alt tab not working in Windows 11. So I'm going to show you the perfect method. So let me start with the video. So first we need to go in this task manager. Just come here in your window start button and right click on it and go to the task manager. Okay, just open your task manager and search here explorer, and we need to go in window explorer. Under the window explorer we need to select that window explorer first. Okay, and right click and restart it. Okay, just restart it. Once it restart, now you can try your alt tab. It definitely work. If still not working, we need to go in setting. This is second method. Under the gaming we need to go the gaming mode and we need to make it off. Okay, sometime when you open on the game mode your key function will change, so make it off it. And now you can try your alt tab. If it is still not working, you need to go to the virtual keyboard, tab here on screen keyboard or on screen keyboard, open it, and now try to, okay, now alt tab is working. You can see it's working. So there is no problem in my software or window. Okay, so what we can do, we need to check your keyboard hardware and definitely it will be helpful to you. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.